the key part of any grant proposal is a needs assessment. So what I mean by needs assessment, for example, you want to work in 50 villages, okay, for your health program. So you need to do a baseline survey which throw out what are the actually need in those 50 villages, rather than you make an assumption on any report, right? So the key part is the need assessment. Based on needs assessment, you define your goals and objective, okay? So for example, I say out of 50 villages, I want to make 40 villages free from open defecation. So that has become your goal. Okay, so your proposal clearly talk about, okay, I will be working in 50 villages. This is my baseline survey is talking about, and my goal is I want to make 40 villages free from open defecation, and to make free from open defecation, I need to construct around about 8,000 toilets. So you have a clear-cut measurable targets, and of course it's a health program, so you will be doing a lot of software activities. Now the methodology which talks about, okay, in software what kind of activities you will implement in terms of behavior change, right? What PRA tool you are going to look at it. So these are the various methodology we talk about to achieve goals and targets, and then followed by a work plan. Say you cannot say I will work for 10 years in 60 villages. So you have to define your work plan, okay, to address this goal and objective. I will say take 4 years down the line, and within the 4 years I would like to finish the project. And then most important is the end-term evaluation. Okay, how for donor it's very important, okay, have you achieved your goals and targets? So that can be done. You have a baseline, then you do an end-term evaluation, try to compare between the two. So for example, in this health program, there are, let us say, a lot of waterborne diseases. So at the end of the project, how many waterborne diseases you have tried to reduce it? So this is the way you measure it. So the evaluation method needs to be defined, and then finally concluded by the budget. Ideally, people talks about the budget first. So first is your key programmatic content in any grant proposal, then concluded by the budget, and most important is how you will going to do the evaluation of your entire project. You want to